Navigating the world of online chemical suppliers feels like walking through a digital minefield, where you never quite know what is real and what is a facade. You stumble across a name like Peptira, and the first thing you notice is the professional layout. It does not look like a basement operation. It looks like a legitimate hub for scientific materials. They specialize in various peptides, which are those short chains of amino acids everyone seems to be talking about in the health and fitness world these days. You see names of compounds that promise incredible results, but you have to stop and look at the disclaimers first. This is where things get serious. Every bottle and every listing carries a heavy warning. These items are for research use only. This is the most important piece of information on the entire website. It means the substances are designed for test tubes and laboratory settings. They are for educational purposes and scientific exploration. The company is very upfront about the fact that nothing they sell is intended for human consumption. They explicitly state that these are not for clinical use or for use on animals. If you are thinking about buying these to experiment on yourself, you are stepping outside the intended use of the product. The legitimacy of the site itself is actually quite high. If you head over to Trustpilot, you will see a long list of positive reviews. People are praising the shipping speed and the quality of the customer service. This indicates that the business is not a scam. They are a real company providing real chemicals to people who need them for study. The reputation they have built seems earned through consistency and transparency, but that does not change the nature of what they are selling. You cannot ignore the necessity of a medical professional. If you are considering using these types of compounds for any reason, you must talk to a doctor. You need someone who understands the complex ways these chemicals interact with human biology. The risks of self-medicating with research chemicals are massive. The platform does its part by putting the warnings right there in plain sight. They are not trying to trick you into thinking these are supplements or vitamins. They are tools for discovery in a controlled environment. If you are a dedicated researcher or a student of science, having a reliable source is vital. This platform seems to fill that gap perfectly by offering a wide range of options that arrive exactly as described. The community feedback suggests that the purity and the reliability are there. It is a rare thing to find such a well-regarded source in this specific niche. You want to make sure your money is going to a place that actually delivers. In this case, the evidence points toward a functional and honest business model. Just keep your eyes wide open. Respect the science and respect the legal boundaries set by the supplier. Being informed is your best defense against making a mistake with your health or your resources. This is a powerful corner of the internet, and it requires a high level of responsibility from anyone who enters it. You get what you pay for, and in this case, you are paying for professional-grade research materials. Always prioritize safety over a quick fix. Your long-term health is worth more than any chemical shortcut you might find online. Keep your curiosity sharp, but keep your caution even sharper. When you deal with these kinds of platforms, knowledge is the only thing that keeps you safe. Take the time to read every word of those disclaimers. They are there to protect the company, but they also serve as a vital warning for you. Research is a serious business. Treat it that way,